Guys, Finland is actively looking for foreign workers in 2026, and many employers are offering visa sponsorship opportunities to qualified international applicants. Today, I'll show you why Finland needs foreign workers, the sectors hiring right now, the salaries you can expect, the requirements you need, and the exact step-by-step process to position yourself for success. So make sure you watch until the end because I'm also going to share official job portals where employers are actively posting vacancies. Finland has one of the oldest populations in Europe. Thousands of workers are retiring every year. A growing labor shortage. According to government and labor market reports, employers in several industries are struggling to find enough workers locally. And that's where international applicants have a real opportunity. Guys, this is exactly why smart immigrants pay attention to labor shortages. When a country needs workers, immigration pathways often become more accessible. 5 in-demand sectors. 1. Healthcare sector. Healthcare remains one of the biggest hiring sectors. Popular roles include care assistant, elderly care worker, practical nurse, registered nurse. Average salaries, €2,500 to €4,500 per month. Finland's aging population means demand is expected to remain strong. 2. Construction sector. Construction companies continue looking for workers. Common positions include construction laborer, carpenter, welder, electrician. Average salaries, €2,700 to €4,800 per month. 3. Manufacturing and factory jobs. This is one of the sectors many international workers overlook. Positions include production worker, machine operator, warehouse worker, packaging assistant. Average salaries, €2,300 to €4,000 monthly. 4. Logistics and transportation. E-commerce growth has increased demand for logistics workers. Popular jobs include forklift operator, delivery driver, logistics coordinator. Average salaries, €2,400 to €4,200 monthly. This sector can be a strong entry point for foreign workers. 5. Hospitality and tourism. Tourism continues to create opportunities. Employers often recruit hotel staff, kitchen assistants, restaurant workers, cleaners. Average salaries, €2,100 to €3,500 monthly. Now let's talk about the requirements. 1. You must have a valid passport. This is non-negotiable. 2. You must meet the age requirements. Most employers prefer working-age applicants, typically between 18 and 55 years old. 3. Basic English skills. While Finnish can be an advantage, many international workplaces operate in English, especially in logistics, technology, hospitality, and manufacturing. 4. Relevant skills or experience. Notice I said skills, not necessarily a degree. Many jobs value practical experience more than academic qualifications. 5. A genuine job offer from a Finnish employer. This is often the key requirement for obtaining a work-based residence permit. Let's break down the process. Step 1. Prepare a European-style CV. Your CV matters a lot. Keep it simple. Highlight practical skills. Include certifications. Include measurable achievements. Tailor every application. Never use one generic CV for every job. Step 2. Search for jobs. Use official and reputable job platforms. work-in-finland.com. eezy.fi/n. englishjobs.fi. These platforms regularly feature opportunities for international workers and provide important information about working and living in Finland. Step 3. Apply consistently. Guys, don't send 5 applications and stop. Successful applicants often submit dozens of quality applications. Consistency wins. Apply every week. Track your applications. Follow up professionally. Step 4. Secure a job offer. Once an employer decides to hire you, they may assist with documentation needed for your work permit process. This is the stage where many visa sponsorship opportunities become relevant. Step 5. Apply for your residence permit. Using your job offer, you'll begin the residence permit process through the official Finnish immigration system. Make sure every document is accurate. Double-check everything. Small mistakes can create delays. Guys, Finland could become one of the most interesting move abroad opportunities in 2026. The country needs workers. Several industries are actively recruiting. Many jobs focus on practical skills. But remember this. Opportunities reward action, not procrastination. So here's what I want you to do right now. Drop a comment below and tell me. Which country are you watching from? If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. And turn on notifications so you never miss future opportunities to move abroad. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.